Hi guys, welcome back to Single Mom Life. I had to do a quick video. Well, depending on what's in it, it might not be so quick, but I wanted you all to go through this with me. This is my very first BOXYCHARM. I've never ordered this before. I had Ipsy and I had Sephora's Playbox, and I took a chance. I canceled those a few months ago, and I thought, well, you know, I want to do it again, but the makeup was the samples, which I told you in another video. I love samples, but I like full-size products, don't we all? And if I like something, it would be great to have a lot of it. And I don't normally go out and buy this stuff for myself because it's so expensive. So to get it in a box, and to get it for a good price, this was $25, would be awesome. So I've got high hopes for this. I've already cut it open, so let's open it together and see what I got in my very first BOXYCHARM. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? I already see great stuff. This is a little welcome card. Oh my gosh, look at this. Morphe 4-piece eye brush collection. I mean, I've showed you my assortment of brushes that I've got lots, but they are not, they're kind of here and there. They're not a complete set. This is actually my first complete set of eye brushes. So how awesome is that? I mean, that alone makes me happy. If it wasn't nothing in it but a couple of little things, I would still be okay with it. This is great. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to prop these up here if I can. They don't knock the lid over. I think they might. So let's set this off to the side right now and keep going. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. That's such a pretty container. And I've used Glam Glow products in the samples I got from Ipsy. So I'm excited to try more. Everything I tried from there was great. So let's see. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, I'm just going to try just a tad off the lid. Oh, smells good. Oh my gosh, this is good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, I'm so excited, and I got a great big container of it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, let's see here. Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. I've never seen this brand. Maybe it's a new one. Oh, it's a tube of eyeshadow primer. Oh, nothing wrong with some eyeshadow primer. I use primer, not specifically made for eyeshadow, so this would be a nice little change for that. Milk makeup. Now, I've heard of Milk, of course. I've heard of Milk makeup brow gel. Oh, look at this. Brow gel, high fiber. Let's see what kind of a... Now, I had one before in my makeup that came that the stem of this, since it was just a sample, it was so short I couldn't control it. This might be very much different. Might be a lot easier for me to control. I'm hoping so. I like Milk makeup. Oh my gosh. I am just blown away already at the stuff that's came in here compared to what I got in Ipsy, right? So we got the Milk Makeup Morphe brushes, eye primer, Glam Glow, and I'm guessing this is the most awesome thing in this. What is this? Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow primer. I got primer in my mind. Palette. Indulge in rebellious decadence with this palette. Pays homage to the Teddy Boys of the 1950s British underground. Can't say that I'm familiar with that, but that's okay. Let's see what this palette looks like. It's already gorgeous packaging. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see this, but holy cow. I'm dead. Dead. This is life. Oh my gosh. I just cannot even. I love this one right here. I'm sorry, my dog's barking. Somebody ring my bell. My dog's barking. She will quiet down in a second, I hope. But aren't these eyeshadows the most beautiful? So pretty. And I love the little mirror. And then Looking Good Darling from Butter London. This will be my first product of theirs. So super excited to give this a try. So that is my first BOXYCHARM. And I'm super blown away. Like I said, I've done Ipsy. I did Ipsy for over a year. And did not get anything this fabulous. So I hope you like it. How amazing is that? Much love. Like, comment, subscribe.